I think he likes the shrimp.
Yes, he seems to appear to.
There's for Mercury, and there's something that rises and gets hot. Mercury. Clear? Listen to me. You got two strikes. You gotta be careful. Sam's family can score. Of course. Yep. There's something that rises when it gets hot. Smoke from a campfire. Fire. Smoke.
Oh, there's still a live shrimp in there. I just saw it.
When he first come up, he just, Bruce was sitting where he is, and they just sitting there staring each other down. And he was going about to start eating without eating. Looks like he's about to be ready to quit, and he decides to have one more, you know.
He's got 3 of them in his hand.
So he also parenting him.
Yeah, he's like afraid somebody's going to take them from him.
If you were playing doctor, name a specific kind of doctor you wouldn't want to be. I wouldn't want to be a foot doctor. You got that name of the doctor? Yeah, like training, something like that. No name of the doctor. Why did I pick that answer? And that, sir, would be a proctologist.
See the little red cardinal out your yard?
Yeah, I saw it.
That's King Senior visit. Bruce doesn't do it.
The Near family get ready.
He went to the first limb in the tree and stopped.